Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, the last 1 week has been very uncertain and unpredictable. Especially if you pay attention on Twitter, the market sentiments are very negative. At the same time, the fear in the market can be cut with a knife. You can see that all the whales are trying to hold their money in USDT, whereas USDT is gaining a huge market share of the market cap. But overall, if you still look at the trend compared to where we were at the start of the year, we're still clearly in an uptrend. After the bull market starts, there's obviously going to be the Bitcoin halving event. After that, there's going to be a little bit of a cold winter and cold months, and then the market goes explosive. Especially once we get into July, you will be seeing some crazy movement. If you pay attention to Dogecoin, it has fallen short to 13 cents, and if you look at the overall meme market, it's not looking very good. But if you look at the trading volume, it's making a recovery. As the trading volume is going to make recovery over time, the net flow is going to be making a recovery into the market as well. Especially now we have a lot of giants helping us with the ETF. And you guys know Bitcoin will still be leading the chart by quite a margin. While the market is in the cold weather, you want to get into one of those early tokens. So when the market goes back into the heat, you want to be in the right spot. And that's where this token comes in, which is called 99BITCOINS. I talked about this about 2 weeks ago. When I talked about it, they're still in a pre-sale stage, but they had only raised about 200,000. Now they have raised about 2.2 million. So if you decided to purchase back then, you're already on a 10x or 11x your money. Keep in mind, this is still very early into this project. They're still in the pre-sale stage. 5 days left before the pre-sale next price will be coming in. Right now, 1 Bitcoin or 99 Bitcoin equals 0.01. If you do want to purchase it, it's very simple. You just go to the website, connect your wallet, select Ethereum or USDT, and how much you want to convert into 99 Bitcoin. Now you will be wondering, what is this token about and why are you so hyped about this guy? Well, in simple terms, this is learn to earn token. This is a new idea which has been coming to cryptocurrency. The classic 99 Bitcoin platform is integrating with BRC20 to pioneer the level 2 learn to earn model on Bitcoin blockchain. So there's a lot of blockchains that like to climb, and seeing that over time the community is so strong, the crypto courses are so good with 80 hours, 2.8 million subscribers and 700,000 community, you need to understand that this will be taken really good by the crypto industry, especially learn to earn. I mean, play to earn became so big in such a short time, and a pioneer into a new industry is obviously going to be doing good. When MyPoints launched the world's first reward system in 1996, it started a trend that eventually led to the rewards. Crypto successful play to earn and move to earn models are 8.9 billion market value in 2023. So the next one is learn to earn. If you decide to spend your money and make sure that you're learning about crypto, you will be making money. Coinbase also has something similar that they have been trying to implement. Together, 99 Bitcoin leverages BRC20 to create a learn to earn platform that rewards users for learning about crypto. And their idea is to grow as much as possible and make sure that they create a very large engaging community over time. 99 Bitcoin token holder exclusive training courses, trading signals, VIP community groups earn rewards for staking the token. Now, if you guys do not know, let's just say the Tokenomics is 10% is going to pre-sale, which is happening right now, 14% to staking, 27% to project funds, 17% to community rewards, and 8% to liquidity. And this is their idea, which is pre-sale has been gone. Pre-sale claim will be opening up, and then you guys will be able to see the CX listing, and then the full platform release will be happening later on. There is a giveaway happening right now if you want to get into it. Right now, if you do decide to stake the token, so if you participate in the pre-sale, you get your token, stake it away, you guys will be receiving 750% return per annum. And also their Twitter has pretty decent following with 21,000 followers, and each tweet is getting a good response. I mean, you guys can see right now there's still in the early stage, so as they grow more and more, it's gonna be doing better. The Telegram has about 4,000, and then their audit was also perfect with nothing wrong and no issues at all. If you guys do want to check out this token, I'll link it down in the description. Just go to their website, and if you want to purchase it, you just need to connect your wallet, select how much Ethereum, and then simply buy it, stake it away, get your return. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel. If you're new to the channel, drop a like on it, and I'll see you soon.